right here we have a bell housing bolt that had a bolt snapped off in it. So I just drilled out the hole and tapped it to a 3/8 coarse thread, just like all these other bolts here. These are all bell housing bolts. I'm attaching the engine stand right here. First off, I just wanted to say thank you for everybody that's been watching my videos. I know I haven't had a lot of time to prepare anything. I'm going to start doing automotive content, but going forward, I'm going to try and do YouTube videos at least a couple times per month, maybe as much as once per week. So right now I am taking the head bolts out of this cylinder head. And we're going to inspect the cylinder head after I take the head bolts out. What you saw in the beginning was a time-lapse video of my garage being cleaned. One of the bell housing bolts broken off in there, so I went and I got a 3/8 tap and I got a 5/16 drill bit to drill and tap new threads in the bell housing. Like I said before, not too deep because I don't want it to get into the water jacket of the engine, right? Today we're going to be taking both cylinder heads off, and I'm going to be taking the valve cover off. There we go. What we got here is some coolant sitting the cylinders, which is not what I like to see. Not a fan. But I will dry that out and spray it with some lubricant. Yeah, no moisture. But like the cylinder walls, there's no deep pitting. 4L80 right over here. Those are the two 317 heads. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. I'm going to build a YouTube channel here. A small block engine back there. A small block engine back there. So we can do a compare and contrast. This is a Turbo 400, Turbo Hydromatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic transmission. There's some coolant residue. This with the head gasket. Oh, yeah. That is a blown head gasket, and right here. So you can see the other head, the head gaskets are intact all the way around. there is no water that was sitting inside of the engine. So be careful when you're buying an engine. If it's suspected to have blown head gaskets like this one is, totally is blown. This is the worst cylinder from Chevy No Lift. Please subscribe.